It's a hell of a day in Camino, California. Hailing like a motherfucker. Moving on down the highway. White. Throw it in 4x4 so we don't slip and slide. You know, the car's pulling over. It's that weather manipulation, modification, chemtrails. They were blowing up the California skies the last few days because they knew the rain was coming. This is the kind of shit that happens. Like we're at probably only 1,500 feet elevation. It's pure white. Don't bother me none. I drive the big truck with the 4x4 and a country boy can't survive. Over here, slowing down the roll. Got four-wheel drive too. He's driving like a 90-year-old lady. So we're coming up on Apple Hill. Go get some apples from Apple Hill. One thing they do have that's really good. They make their own ciders. So that's the Tropics Island Grill. That's a brewery right there. Wineries all over the place up here. Take Carson Road exit. And you can go to the left and you can go to the right. And you'll run into something good. So if you're ever visiting California, come on up to Apple Hill on your way up to Lake Tahoe and have a good old time. Well, it looks like we're done with the white powder for now. So we're gonna cruise it on home, check out our Pepe, the meme coin, crypto, and see what we got. Have a great day, everybody. Crypto Scotty, SCOTTIE, patreon.com/crypto Scotty. Later.